Okay, so hopefully you've had not only done your mind map, but now you've had a go at the questions. So here are the answers. Quite a straightforward one, hopefully. Student charges two balloons and hangs them side by side. So charges, that means lots of negatives. Explain why the cotton threads are not vertical. So effectively, you have got your pluses, which you're going to have anyway, but these balloons have been charged, so they've got lots of negatives. So explaining why they are not vertical, why they're not hanging side by side, because they're obviously repelling each other. So we need to put that down in sentences. The balloons will repel because they are both negatively charged. Full stop. Repel, 1 mark. Charged, 1 mark. 2 marks. Next, the student rubs another balloon with a cloth. This balloon becomes negatively charged. Complete the sentence by putting a cross in the box next to your answer. Compared to the charge gained by the balloon, the cloth gains. So that's going to be, the student rubs another balloon with a cloth. This balloon becomes negatively charged. So those negatives have got to have come from the cloth. Compared to the charge gained by the balloon, the cloth gains an equal positive. So if it's losing negatives, then it's going to be an equal positive charge. Explain why the balloon became negatively charged when it was rubbed with the cloth. So, keyword box. What have we got? Insulator, friction, electrons transfer. There's 4 points there for 2 marks. We're going to put them all in there. Okay. 2 insulators undergoing. It's a bit clumsy way to put it. You never use that word, but I didn't think of what I was going to put till I committed myself. So I'll go with it. 2 insulators undergoing friction, causing electrons to be transferred. Negative charge from the cloth to the balloon. Bang, boom, boom, boom. How's that? 2 marks. Easy 2 marks. Okay, insulators 1 mark, friction 1 mark, electrons 1 mark, transferred 1 mark. I've got 4 marks and a 2 mark. Okay. The student then puts this charged balloon against a metal cabinet. So we've got this balloon here that's charged. It keeps using this word charged. It just means lots of negatives. So we've got this balloon here, like this. And it comes into contact with a metal cabinet. Off it goes, touches here. But because the metal can conduct, it's like earthing it. All this charge will just flow down the cabinet. All the negatives will flow. Electricity is a flow of electrons. The metal allows that to happen. Describe what happens to the charge in the balloon. What happens to the charge. This charge will leave the balloon and travel through or down the cabinet because the cabinet is a conductor. It's metal. Okay? The charge will leave the balloon. It's going to leave the balloon. It's going to travel. All the electrons are going to flow through the metal cabinet. If this cabinet was plastic, then nothing would happen. Nothing. The electrons can't go anywhere. The student charges another balloon, holds it against the wall. The two balloon sticks when he suggests why the balloon is attracted to the wall. Because the wall has an induced positive charge. So it's a very 1 mark, you don't need to write much, but really the balloon again is coming here, lots of negatives, there's your wall. When this negative balloon comes this way, all these negatives are going to get repelled and jump off as far away as you can. So what you end up with is all your positives lined up here, and that's why the balloon sticks. Okay, hope you get on with that, okay? Look out for the next podcast. Thank you.